chat. Here we are. Here we are once again. Hey everybody, how you guys doing? Let me take the chat of that Twitch one as well. Let me take the chat of that Twitch one as well. Let me take the chat of. All right, all right. Here we go. Yep, good enough. Hey Prajwal, welcome back. Hey Pramod, welcome back. How you guys doing? Building AI agent from scratch. Actually, I want to talk to this guy named Shuvo from Instagram, and I just want to address him off rip, like on the start of the stream itself. He messaged me on Instagram saying that he did his BTech from civil because of parents' pressure and not his own interest, and then he's afraid that AI agents are going to take away his job, and he's afraid of it because of that. Now, Shubho, if you're watching this live stream, I'm gonna send you a link after I'm done with this one. But I want you to know that influencers on YouTube are mostly stupid. Mostly, 99% of them are absolute morons. This guy, that Piyush Garg saying building AI agent from scratch, I'm pretty much sure that tomorrow this guy will turn into AI agents are the next big thing. They are gonna take your job or whatever. It is a culture that has been created on YouTube to scare everybody and keep them scared so that you are the prime target of their product that they are trying to sell. That is something I will always call out on YouTubers' parts. And probably it is because you don't have mentorship, you don't have guidance in your own life, which is why you go to YouTube to get validation or seek some sort of motivation or whatever, and maybe you fell into one of these rabbit holes. So I'm just wanna say this, that all of them are fucking morons. Most of them don't even work in the industry. They have no idea what's happening in the actual tech industry, so they have no position of saying anything. But they do, because obviously their subscriber bases, their what is this? The teams that they have hired, that they have to constantly come up with new ideas. They say ideas, but at the end it's all about fear mongering and money and jobs and tech sector and blah blah blah. So just wanted to talk to you, and I'm gonna send you a clip of this one. But yeah, let's continue. Hey, socially awkward, Kirti Narayan, Sunday Chill is live. Yes, we are here. Sir, what should I actually code? What does that mean? Be a problem solver, not a coder. Hey Tushar, how you doing, bro? Thing is, right, what should I actually code is a wrong question to begin with. You should learn the components of the frameworks or the languages that you are trying to learn, and you should learn how to string them together to create a solution. That is something we call problem solving. So focus on that, bro. Don't think that you have to code something or you have to build like a idea. You can, I mean, in the building stages of your career, you can, but this is your learning phase, I assume, given from your question. So focus on learning the components that the languages have to offer and how you can use them to create your solution, right? Hey Abhijit Rai, welcome back. Isn't AI agent technically a chatbot with company data? I don't even know what AI agents are, bro. I They say that it is a task specific AI. No, what is an AI agent? Let me search. What is an AI agent? AI agent is a software program that uses AI to perform tasks on its own. Okay, so something. Okay, so I get it. Chat GPT, you tell something and you receive something. AI agent is like you tell the AI agent some task and it will carry it and it will complete it on its own, and it will inform you when it's done. I think that's the difference here between AI and AI agent. AI agent is what is an AI agent? How will I construct an AI agent if I had to create one? I don't know. Company data, yeah, it would need access to your GitHub repositories and your database, and sometimes even other platforms like email marketing, SMS accounts, or AWS accounts. It could be. So yeah, you're right actually, Abhijit Rai. It is a chatbot with company data, with access to a company data. Every AI is just a wrapper of OpenAI. Maybe, yeah, most of the products are, which is why OpenAI is so much in the limelight. They are hoping that people will adopt their AI API, and off of that, many businesses will spawn off who will create their own products. But unfortunately, that's not what the case is with the current job market, the current tech market. Almost there is this growing belief that people are now starting to hate AI products, if anything, right? Hey, Yugal Kishore. Um, Mohammad Ubaid, welcome back, bro. Please give your view on Hitesh Chaudhary and Piyush Garg. I, I, what will I even say to them? Say about them? I haven't consumed their content enough to arrive to a conclusion. There are some cherry pick moments I have. It is basically cherry picking on both of them. Mm. They have teamed up to sell courses, isn't it? 1 second, let me close this door. And my bottle is empty. Let me get some water. I'll come back. Yep. Now I have my water. Here we go. Yes. Yeah, so what will I even say about Hitesh Chaudhary and Piyush Garg? If you like them, follow them, bro. I don't, given my position. But yeah, that's all. Um, do embedded system job exist for fresher? Okay, let's search it. Embedded programming jobs, freshers. It does exist, isn't it? Embedded freshers jobs. Here you go. Bro, Yugal, sometimes you really need to just Google things up. Don't ask me to Google things. The same data points that you have access to are the same ones that I am using to find out information. That's how you do it, isn't it? Tailwind for life. I'm not sure if I like Tailwind, bro. I'm not sure. Sometimes I end up going back to Bootstrap, given how much familiarity I have with Bootstrap. Sometimes, yeah, I do. SaaS is dead then. Oh, it is not. Oh, yeah, that is a good topic, because Varun Maya created this podcast with Satya Nadella. Satya Nadella. This one is SaaS dead. I already told you my views on Varun Maya. He is a AI hype bro, crypto bro, NFT bro, whatever you wanna call it. He is one of those. Obviously, he's going to create a video and thumbnail it like this. I'm pretty sure he doesn't say openly that SaaS is dead. Oh, it's only 11 minutes video. How is that possible? Shouldn't it be a 2 hour, 3 hour video? But no, it's not dead.
Satya Nadella.
Shut up.
I have relational algebra, I have SQL, I have data, and then I can build my business logic on top of it. Then, of course, other platforms came like the web and what have you. And then we said, oh, what's an N-tier way to write applications? How should I restructure my business logic? I think that something of that scale, or if not more, is going to happen again with the application logic, right? And this time around, the thing about agents is they are not going to be bound to essentially any one SaaS application and its data, right? So I'll have an agentic sort of view where the task, the intent, and I will go operate and orchestrate all the logic across multiple SaaS applications, right? I'll go call a bunch of APIs through tools use. So I'll call a bunch of APIs. I will, in fact, I'll post-train my model to know about multiple SaaS applications.
There's the problem. There is the problem. What if a company doesn't want an AI agent to consume all of its data? Let's say that there is a task that tells the AI agent to create a module that accesses the database, accesses the Redis database, and creates a report, and then accesses a certain library that they have created to generate the chart, then deploy it on AWS. So in this one task, you have the AI agent have the access to your database, to your Redis server, to your application GitHub repository, your AWS server. You are essentially giving away your entire architecture to the AI agent, and you're not even sure if the AI agent is going to consume the required amount of data from your GitHub repository and all other servers, or is it going to just take everything away from you? And the thing is, you wouldn't even know if that happened. So like how Satya Nadella said, mad respect for this guy. I'm not trying to, like whatever, be mean about it, but I have to be realistic in this scenario. He said that I'll post-train my model to know about multiple SaaS applications. That's dangerous. Data leaks. One AI agent is coming back from a task and getting deployed to another. What if the data gets carried over? What if the credentials get leaked? Because obviously AI agents have to have credentials, right? And I think there is a phenomenon that happened with GitHub Copilot, that GitHub Copilot gives away Google Maps keys if you just enter in your, let me show it to you. Copilot giving away Google keys, something like that happened. Yeah, here we go. GitHub Copilot giving away API keys. How can I protect my keys? So there are these things. Should be never checked into Git. But unfortunately, this has happened, right? So isn't that dangerous? Okay. Tushar Gaurav, tailwind for life. So guys like these YouTuber courses aren't useful to help become a problem solver. No. Stick to books, stick to documentation. You are well off. You don't need influencers. You don't need us to get anything. Tech news, tech information, tech entertainment, yeah, sure. But core knowledge, stay out of YouTube. Hello bhaiya, yeah man, I too love low level programming. Yeah. React to Chire code video title, watch this before building projects. Okay, I will. Be an engineer who solves the problem, not just a coder who just writes the code. Okay. Hey Sanjay, welcome back. It's great. It's great you get to know how your system actually works. Okay. Should I start learning AI then? And also, did OpenAI made any new discovery which is not known to outsiders? Can Google's Gemini compete with OpenAI? I have no idea about these things, bro. If you wanna calm yourself down by thinking that you are up to date with current trends and everything, go learn AI. If that's what it takes to relax you. And otherwise, my own opinion would be you don't really need AI. I don't know, man. I'm such an oldie now. Why? What do you mean, Tushar? Why? I also don't follow them. I was just asking. Yeah. Hey, the India's Got Latent app developed by Harkira Singh. It is actually shit. I know it is shit. I haven't even looked at it. I haven't even haven't even heard about it since he did that live stream about the latent app. I just know it because he wanted to jump on that trend. He wanted to show people that he can code. Therefore, he combined those two things and he just created an app. Who cares? Who cares? And he knows this, that he doesn't have to maintain the project or whatever. But the word latent is very trendy right now. He jumped on it. He now exited out. Hey Tachi, oh man, you are so much on time today. 12:15. That's great. Hey, the Indians are written and okay. How does they make compiler without compiler? What? I don't understand your question, Kirti. Yeah, probably using assembly language. By SaaS, my dumbass thought syntactically awesome style sheets. So I wrote tailwind. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Oh, I know. There is SaaS, SaaS. Yeah, yeah, I know. Using assembler. Please answer my question, which I posted when you asked for video suggestions. Uh, Muhammad Ubaid, I really don't know what to tell you, bro. Mm, voice sounds need to be improved. Okay, there is some problem with the mic. It is okay, right? Let me see. Properties. Nope, not this one. Filters. There are no filters. Okay. Can you guys give me a sound check if everything is all right? Do I need to be do I need to be closer to my mouse? No, not mouse. Mic. Oh, I need to be closer. Okay. There. There we go. Now I am a full-time streamer. No, it's fine. It's all right. Oh, okay. Hey Pradev, welcome back. Hey Manas Shinde, welcome back. Mojo El Rey. Okay. Hi Sid, sorry I missed past stream. Yeah, no problem, bro. Welcome back. Anyway. SM Roshan, welcome back. Harkirat creates ChatGPT. He is a thug. Why would he make a bad app though? I wonder. To follow a trend, bro. That's all it is. Give it 2 more weeks. You will not hear about the word latent anymore from developers. It's all a trend. But hey, this is a good time to tell you that Technical Suneja actually messaged me. This guy, he messaged me. He messaged me for a podcast. So that's pretty exciting. 519k subscribers. I'm gonna go there. I think it is Delhi where he lives. So yeah, that's happened. Hey Manav Pachurkar, I hope I said that correctly. Get close to mic. Okay. Did you watch Lead Code or Die Primogen? Yeah, I did. Unfortunately, his laptop didn't provide the permissions for everything to be deleted. But yeah. Technical Taneja, nahi bhai Suneja. सिड भाई बड़े आदमी हो गए आप तो. Good for community. No, bro, I'm not a big dude, man. Like, let's see the average how much his views do. 145k, 106k, 88k, 195k, 338k, 111, 102. Okay, so this is the kind of views I can expect from Technical Suneja. Okay. Hey, Algorithm Soft. Harkirat Singh podcast with Sid the IT guy will be fire. I think I will actually end up dissing him. I honestly do. Like, I will go to his podcast and I will start insulting him, calling him a hypocrite or whatever. Podcast करोगे अब ऐसा ना हो कि वहाँ हरकिरत या आर्यन सिंह आए सरप्राइज गेस्ट की तरह. Yeah, let them come, bro. Let them come. I wanna have a face off with them. I'm not scared of anybody. Bro doing big moves. I'm not doing any big moves, bro. He approached me. He was the one who messaged me on LinkedIn inviting me for a podcast. I was like, all right, I'll come. Um, whom you suggest to follow for tech careers? Nobody, bro. Nobody. Nobody. Don't follow anybody for tech careers. No one knows the state of the market. No one does. I myself don't know, and nobody else does. We are all living in our bubbles. We don't know what the actual state of the market is. Everybody like says, oh, but it was so easy to get a job back in 2020, whatever, which I don't agree with. I was there during that time, and I can say for sure it wasn't easy. So I disagree off rip. Thing with YouTubers is we are just chasing topics. We are just chasing trends. That's all it is. You wanna find out for yourself. That's how you will know what the state of the market is. Apply to jobs, get rejected, blah blah blah. Yeah, that's how you find out. Um, Sanjay, are you an engineer? Okay. Did you watch? Get close to mic. It's on YouTube community tab on your channel. What? I'm not understanding your question, Muhammad Ubaid. Oh, you're saying video ideas. Oh, okay. I see. Now I see. You're asking me to make a video on Hitesh and Piyush Garg. Not really comfortable with that idea, but I can see what I can do. Nikhil Kamath is my go-to podcast guy. I wanna go to his podcast. You need 30 H200 to generate 3.3k word answer from GPT-4, and then $30k to generate, and after that it takes 1 GPU to generate 3.k word answer. What is that, Abhijit? You don't need to know how to write assembly programs. It's just part of computer science fundamentals. So I mentioned having a good foundation in computer science is must than following the latest trends. Hey Sanjay, I like you, bro. I like you. Excited to see your podcast with Suneja. What about the tech lead guy? Yeah, the tech lead guy thing has fallen off. It's not gonna happen. Hey, let's go. Aryan Singh has revised FANG roadmap for 2025. Here we go. Should we watch this? I wanna ask, should we watch this? I said I don't able to watch your stream because of exam. Yeah, no problem, bro. No problem. You can tune in later when your exams get finished. I'll be back here next Sunday anyway. Then you can tune in. It's all right. Answer me, guys. Should we watch Aryan Singh once again? Oh wow! Congratulations for podcast. Thank you, bro. Parshuram, welcome back, bro. After podcast, joined my course with only X amount and earned 10x. Actually, it's going to be the opposite way. Should I start learning AI? Yes, bro. Why do you need my permission or anybody else's permission? If you want to learn it, go learn it. Who cares? Yes, bro. Now watching Aryan increases my motivation. See, Prajwal said no. So now don't learn it. How to approach learning AI? Oh man. Then just search on YouTube, bro. AI learning for beginners. There you go. Oh, Ishan Sharma. Oh man. See, there is a Google's AI course for beginners. So let's search that. Google AI course for beginners. There you go. Grow with Google. Google AI Essentials, Coursera. Oh, there is a Coursera link. Okay. But you can see who is going to teach you. I came into this course. Oh, this is testimonial. Preview the course material. Here you go. Learn from AI experts at Google. Who better than these people, bro? I know it links to an external Coursera link, but still, it is still valid. Bye. I am also going. My JEE exam is on 24. Oh, best of luck, bro. Hope you crack it. Revised FANG is kind of like network marketing. Okay. Should I learn from Ishant Sharma? Yes, you should. Something is wrong with. Yeah. Yes, you should learn from Ishant Sharma, one of our greatest influencers. Do you? Okay, let's go back to. Yeah, let me pause this video off rip. Yeah, so we will get into it. Um, do you heard about AI girlfriend for $200,000? Yeah, I did. I did. $200,000. If you have that kind of money, is getting a girlfriend really an issue for you? I have to wonder, right? What kind of loser do you have to be that you have $200,000 in your pockets and you don't even have a girlfriend? Like seriously, I have seen absolute morons walking on the street with girlfriends who are rich. $200,000 is actually a batshit insane amount. 200,000 USD into INR. How much would that be? 1 crore 73 lakh 15,000 rupees. Almost 2 crore rupees you have. And still you don't have a girlfriend? Seriously? Google is dying from AI. What they will teach? You are confused, Rajesh. You are really confused. Check out Visuara. Okay, what is that? Visuera. Making AI accessible to all. What is their net worth, bro? $1.8 million per year. Visuara estimated revenue per employee is $63,000. Okay, not bad, not bad. If it is a Silicon Valley company, they are nothing. They are absolutely nothing. Vishwara has 29 employees, grew their employee count by 38% last year. Okay. Revenue estimated valuation. There is no valuation here. Okay. Said wanted to know. I have 56% in class 12 pursuing BCA first year during coding since 10th. I think due to my 12th grade, I'm not able to land internship. Can you advise suggest me on this? Same thing, bro. Same thing. I am not 60% throughout as well. I have 69% in 10th, 74% in 12th, and BSc degree it's like 55%. So I'm not an MCA 8.3 CGPA. So I'm not 60% throughout as well. And you are in first year. Why are you worrying about your career and internships in first year, bro? Chill out. Chill out. Watch that DSA video already, bro. Okay.
चलो जी 6 महीने का फैंग का रोड मैप बनाते हैं फटाफट आपको जीरो से लेके फैंग गूगल फेसबुक अमेजोन माइक्रोसॉफ्ट बड़ी बड़ी नौकरियां अगर लेनी है तो क्या रोड मैप होना चाहिए
Here we go. Fang mentioned. Let's go. Okay.
क्रिस्टल क्लियर रोड मैप रखेंगे कुछ भी ज्यादा ऊपर नीचे की बातें नहीं करेंगे सिर्फ वही बातें करेंगे जो हेल्पफुल हैं वही बातें करेंगे जो आपकी काम की आएंगी शॉर्ट वीडियो है सेव शेयर कर लीजिए लाइक कर दीजिए सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए
Hey, begging for likes, share, and subscribes. Let's go.
चैनल को फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आता है फैंग होता क्या फैंग का मतलब है बड़ी बड़ी जो कंपनीज है बेसिकली एक बजवर्ड है मोटा मोटा तो बड़ी बड़ी जो कंपनियां होती हैं डेटा स्ट्रक्चर एल्गोरिथम पूछती हैं इंटरव्यूज में डेटा स्ट्रक्चर एल्गोरिथम क्या होते हैं बेसिकली
Yes, Rutik, I did watch Prime Agent's video. I did. No bullshit, pure learning. I said YouTube channel. 1 second. Check out. Oh, Vishwara YouTube channel. Oh, okay. Let me check that out. Okay.
लॉजिक बिल्डिंग है लॉजिक बिल्डिंग कैसे है कि जैसे आपने चीपेस्ट फ्लाइट का सिस्टम बनाना है गूगल मैप्स कैसे चलता है जो भी बड़ी बड़ी आपकी एप्लीकेशन है वो कैसे चलती है तो कहीं ना कहीं लॉजिक इन्वॉल्व है तो लोग कहीं क्या हो गया इंटरव्यू जो प्रेपरेशन होती है वो कहीं ना कहीं लॉजिक क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग के क्वेश्चंस पे आ गई है तो या तो आपका डीएसए के क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाएंगे जो डेटा स्ट्रक्चर एल्गोरिथम है आपके अरेज लिंक लिस्ट ग्राफ्स ट्रीज बाय बाइनरी सर्च ये वो जितने पैटर्न्स है या फिर सिस्टम डिज़ाइन के ऊपर क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं। सिस्टम डिज़ाइन के अंदर बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, लोड बैलेंसर, बैक एंड, फ्रंट एंड।
I should skip this a little bit. Build strong fundamentals. Master a programming language. Choose Python, Java, C++. 1 second, let me make this big. Focus on syntax, data structures, and object-oriented programming concepts. DSA. Obviously, start with arrays, strings, and linked lists. Move on to stacks and recursion. Problem-solving practice. Daily challenges on lead code, code forces, hacker rank. Focus on easy to medium difficulty. What is so unique here? Let's go to second one, whatever he has. This is the same regurgitated bullshit that every YouTuber says to people. Advanced DSA, trees and graphs, dynamic programming, advanced algorithms, greedy algorithms, backtracking, implement these in your chosen language.
आता है कि एडवांस डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स एंड एल्गोरिथम्स ये आपको आनी चाहिए, ट्रीज, ग्राफ, डायनामिक प्रोग्रामिंग एंड कुछ और, क्रिस्टल प्रिज्म।
Bro, how to start a tech business? I don't have a tech business, bro. Why are you asking me? Please tempt us resources to learn web dev. If you're saying don't follow influencers because reading documentation feels hectic, guess what? It should be hectic. That's when it gets answered to you that if you're really passionate about programming. Because if you are, then reading documentation is not a big deal. It just isn't. For AI, Andrew Engine is the go-to guy, I guess. Oh, okay, okay.
ये वो ग्राफ में ग्राफ कलरिंग, कंपेटिटिव प्रोग्रामिंग, इनकी तरफ भी आपको देखना चाहिए फॉर श्योर। मैं ये नहीं बोलूंगा कि आपको सारा ही एडवांस पे जाना है, बट हाँ 200-250 लीड कोड के क्वेश्चंस आर द बेयर मिनिमम आज की डेट में। चेंज हो रहा है ट्रेंड, डेफिनेटली 2025 के अंदर चेंजेस आ रहे हैं बहुत सारी।
Okay, who told him that the trends are changing? Just who is it that is telling him his khabri, his source that is going around the entire tech market and telling him that things are changing?
चेंजेस आएंगे, लेट्स सी क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता, बट आई एम होपफुल कि कहीं ना कहीं हम डीएसए से हल्का सा मूव करके डेव की साइड थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा जाएं, क्योंकि दैट इज़ अ लिटिल बिट मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इन द फील्ड ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग, और हमें ज़्यादा उस पर फोकस करना चाहिए।
Scalability, databases, caching, and APIs. Learn horizontal and vertical scaling. How would you learn that without spending money on AWS? This is literally sort of impossible for students who don't have pocket money to afford servers and afford scaling. First of all, why would you scale an app in the first place? You have to have some customers using your app, which is what causes bottlenecks to your application, which is when you decide, okay, we need to scale up. Now you do horizontal scaling or you do vertical scaling is up to you. So you already filtered out 99%, more than 99% of students. Databases, study SQL and NoSQL databases. Understand when to use each and their scaling strategies. Again, the scaling thing. But okay, study SQL and NoSQL, pretty much well known in the tech sector. Caching and APIs. Learn about caching mechanisms and RESTful API design principles. Practice designing simple APIs. So first you were saying advanced DSA, now you are saying simple APIs. But okay, fine, let's continue.
इसके बाद आता है फैन के लिए सिस्टम डिज़ाइन, और ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। इसका रीज़न ये है कि सिस्टम डिज़ाइन 2 से 3 चीज़ें दर्शाता है एक आदमी के अंदर। फर्स्ट है उसकी नॉलेज, क्योंकि इसके अंदर स्केलेबल की चीज़ें बहुत सारी है, अपाचे, बीम, काफका, रेडिस, कैशिंग, ये वो। डेटाबेसेस की बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, किस तरीके के डेटाबेसेस हैं, बहुत एसक्यूएल, अमेज़न, डायनामोडीबी, ये वो पता नहीं कितने डेटाबेसेस हैं। थर्ड आता है कि आप इन सारी चीज़ों को सिंक कैसे कर सकते हो अपनी नॉलेज के साथ। तो स्केलिंग करनी है तो क्या-क्या करोगे, लोड बैलेंसर, डेटाबेस कौन से यूज़ करोगे, रीडिंग राइटिंग फास्ट चाहिए तो कौन से डेटाबेस यूज़ करोगे। आपके लिए स्पेसिफिक यूज़ केसेस जैसे मैसेंजर का यूज़ केस है, कुछ ऐसा रियल टाइम नोटिफिकेशन का सिस्टम है, तो क्या करोगे। तो इसमें नॉलेज आपको इतनी चाहिए कि आप क्या है कि ऑटोमेटिकली 1% में आ जाते हो अगर आपको ये सारी चीज़ें आती हैं। तो ये बेसिकली क्या होता है ना, इंटरव्यू देने के लिए चीज़ें बन गई हैं। सिस्टम डिज़ाइन ऑब्वियस सी बात है, गूगल में जाके आप इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं करने वाले हो। उसका रीज़न है वो तो 2005, 6, 10 में हो चुका है। गूगल मैप्स इज़ ऑलरेडी स्केलेबल टू 100 बिलियन यूज़र, राइट? अगर कोई दिक्कत आती भी है तो यू ऑलरेडी हैव सीनियर सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर जो ये काम करेंगे। बट हम चूज कैसे करें, हम फिल्टर कैसे करें, वो बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है आज की डेट में। तो फिल्टर करना इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग फॉर कंपनीज। तो यहाँ पे मात खा जाते हैं लोग, एंड इसीलिए ये चीज़ें प्लेस में। तो सिस्टम डिज़ाइन को मास्टर करने के लिए आपको 10 से 15 चीज़ें आनी चाहिए। अब आते
Select a project that demonstrates scalability and uses multiple technologies you have learned. Create a detailed design document. Implement the project using best practices and design patterns. These are unrealistic things, in my opinion. just my opinion. This guy is so funny in Instagram Reels. So funny as in sad funny or actually funny. Because when I was unblocked from him from Instagram, I used to be annoyed at his Instagram Reels. ChatGPT 4.0 is very heavy and increasing its accuracy is not feasible. Oh, OpenAI will go bankrupt because we're working on $5 billion loss. Yeah, I know. My score throughout my career was 8.2 CGP and above. Oh, flexing, no man. Okay, you're flexing. Course seller, haha. His courses are shit. I've heard from people who have bought it. ChatGPT can make the same roadmap. Exactly. What is so unique here? Nothing. Hey Roshan, welcome back. Joined a startup working on React Native. Later, will also work on backend. Apart from this, what should I focus on to get high LPA later? Jump companies, Roshan. That's the only way to do it. Your company is never going to measure your paycheck with your skill set. It's never going to happen. Trust me, however much you want to believe this, that if you just keep upskilling yourself, then the company will recognize it and they will increase it in your paycheck. No, they are not. No, they are not. The reality is that when you upskill, the company sees that, oh, okay, this guy is motivated. Let's get more work from him for the same pay. So we are getting more efficiency out of our employees. We don't have to pay them anything extra. So the only way to increase your paycheck is to upskill yourself and then jump to another company, I mean, which will offer you 30% hike or whatever. And the thing is, if you are 5 LPA guy, then 30% increment already means 6 plus. Then 6 plus, you get a 30% increment, then you are in 8 LPA. 8 LPA, you get a 30% increment, bam, you are 10 plus. And then it keeps on going like that. And in some cases, people even make 200% salary hikes, jumps. So that can happen to you as well, but I'm not guaranteeing it. But yeah, these things also happen. So the only way to increase your LPA is to jump companies. And upskill yourself, obviously. Yeah. They're just preparing kids to sell their course, nothing more. Yeah, of course.
आते हैं कि फैन के लिए प्रोजेक्ट्स भी बनाने बड़े ज़रूरी हैं क्योंकि रेज्यूमे सेलेक्ट नहीं होगा तो आपको इंटरव्यू कैसे मिलेगा, राइट? सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट तो रेज्यूमे है। रेज्यूमे सेलेक्ट नहीं होगा, आपके पास अच्छी रेज्यूमे नहीं, आइडियाज़ नहीं है, वाई कॉम्बिनेटर, एप्सुमो और प्रोडक्ट हंट पे जाइए, आइडियाज़ फाइंड करिए, हैकाथॉन्स पे जाइए, आइडिया फाइंड करिए, किसी ना किसी तरीके से उसे 0 से 100 इंप्लीमेंट करिए। ई कॉमर्स, सोशल मीडिया हो, कुछ भी हो, 0 से 100 इंप्लीमेंट करिए। अगर आपको रिसोर्सेज चाहिए तो लिंक बायो में मैं डाल रहा हूँ, बहुत सारे रिसोर्स हैं, प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं, दुनिया भर की चीज़ें आपको मिल जाएंगी जो कि आप खरीद सकते हो और आप अच्छे से इंप्लीमेंट कर सकते हो। अब मुद्दा क्या आता है कि अगर आपके बोरिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं, आप कॉपी पेस्टेड प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं, कमिट्स नहीं है, गिटहब पे नहीं है, आपका सुंदर गिटहब नहीं है, तो हाउ इज द रिक्रूटर गोइंग टू बी श्योर कि हम आपको लें? तो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि हम ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स बना रहे हैं।
The only way to be sure that the recruiter picks you is to be confident in your soft skills and you should know what you're talking about. There are some things in your resume that you have to mention that, yeah, I have created projects and blah, blah, blah. But it is the ability to sell yourself where you stand out. The problem with this guy saying that you should be scaling, like the problem with scaling and all, right? How would a college student get enough subscribers or get enough users to use their app so that their app will get to a stage where the database will start crashing and the developer, the fresher, has to think, oh my god, my tech just crashed. I need scaling strategies. Let me look into what scaling is. It's already not possible for college freshers to get into scaling strategies and all because their app is never going to reach a stage like that. But no, these things are cherry picked. Interviews, when it happens for freshers, the reality is this: recruiters know that you are a fresher, you haven't seen anything, you haven't done anything in the real world which is useful for companies. So there are some metrics, so there are some metrics that they get dialed down for you guys. That they say, you learned a language, fine, you have learned it. Can you tell me the definition of object-oriented, 4 principles of object-oriented programming languages? You say that, you're fine. Write me a program to do something with recursion or whatever, like no functions or whatever. So you do that, and then that's pretty much it. There is no expectations from you to know everything that a senior engineer would. which is how he's portraying it. That's the reality of interviews. They know that you're a fresher, you don't know things just yet.
हैं आज की डेट में जो इम्प्रेस कर रहे हैं दूसरे को, हमें कहीं ना कहीं गेमिफाई करना है सिस्टम को, हमें गेमिफाई करके समझना है कि हम
You will never be able to gamify the system, bro. Trust me, you never will be able to. Okay, if you were one on one with me on a call, then maybe I could tell you that you can gamify the system. But a YouTube video that caters to how many people? 43,000 subscribers. You're not gonna be, this is not a good thing to say to a bunch of thousands of people that you can gamify the system. It's not gonna happen. You're gonna get blacklisted. If they find out you are using unethical practices and you are trying to take advantage of whatever loophole or something like that, you will get blacklisted from the IT industry. Dangerous thing to say.
इम्प्रेस कैसे कर सकते हैं? हम 1 2 3 4 आदमी बैठे, इनको इम्प्रेस करना है। यूनिक प्रोजेक्ट्स, अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट, बड़े प्रोजेक्ट्स, लोगों के साथ टीम वर्क, ये सारी स्किल्स आपको दर्शानी पड़ती है। देखो, एक टॉप जॉब के लिए सिंपल सी बात है। एंड ओपन सोर्स कंट्रीब्यूशंस भी आप कर सकते हो। इसके अंदर ओपन सोर्स का भी पूरा आता है। आप गूगल समर ऑफ कोड है, ओपन सोर्स गिटहब पे चलता रहता है दुनिया भर का। बहुत सारी कॉन्फ्रेंसेस है, बहुत सारे इवेंट्स हैं, बहुत सारे आपके पास हैकाथॉन्स आती है जिसमें अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं। बट अगेन, ओपन सोर्स इज फॉर समबडी हु ऑलरेडी नोज वन टेक स्टैक। अगर आप एक टेक स्टैक की नॉलेज नहीं रखते हो, आप ओपन सोर्स नहीं कर सकते मेरे हिसाब से। नेक्स्ट ईयर रिएक्ट सीख लीजिए, उसके बाद ओपन सोर्स में जाइए, ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं है। डाउनलोड करिए, बड़ा सा कोड बेस होता है, AI चैट जीपीटी से यूज़ करिए।
What did he say?
एक्स्ट्रा की नॉलेज नहीं रखते हो, आप ओपन सोर्स नहीं कर सकते मेरे हिसाब से। नेक्स्ट ईयर रिएक्ट सीख लीजिए, उसके बाद ओपन सोर्स में जाइए, ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं है।
Next.js and React and then go to open source. Okay, that is the summary of this video. Okay. When you don't give proper prompt to ChatGPT, you get roadmap like the one Aryan made. I'm pretty sure he asked ChatGPT to create the visuals as well. Because look at this image. Does this not look like AI created, AI generated? It does, right? Suggest machine learning books. Oh man, there are books on machine learning. Oh, there would be machine learning books. I haven't read any myself, bro. How can I tell you which one to buy? S. Sridhar M. Vijay Lakshmi. This thing. Andreas C. Mueller and Sarah Guido. Fun with machine learning. I haven't explored it myself, bro. How can I tell you that? Is this 6 months roadmap or 6 years? Did he say anywhere? How can I purchase your course from Bangladesh? Please help. सर आपका लाइव कोर्स भी है क्या? थैंक यू भैया, थैंक यू भैया। PDF शेयर कर दो प्लीज। Give some good project ideas for college final year students. Project ideas. So Web 2.0, then I'm assuming that, okay, so there are some components you can do that I can generalize that will make any project idea good for you. If you can build a supporting Android app along with the project idea, I think you will be able to stand out from your peers, because mostly what people do in college final year is that they create a web app and they call it a project. But if you really want to scale up, like if you really want to stand out or something like that, create a supporting Android app. It doesn't have to use native components. It can just be a web app interface inside Android, which you can do. It is very easy. Web app interface for Android. So build apps in web view. This is something that happens in Android development. Just use a web view and create a supporting Android app, and it would be a good learning curve for you. And I don't think I don't think in college final year your goal should be to create the most beautiful and create a unique project idea or something like that. It should be your learning. How many components of the framework you have been able to use. Let's say Laravel, right? Or let's say Java. Did you use multi-threading in anywhere in the application? Because ultimately all project ideas, what they are is basically an interface. It's a form. You enter data, you save data, you retrieve data. Basically CRUD. This is what you're gonna create in college final year. I know I did in my MCA final year. It was all that it was, a CRUD application. But for your learning, you should try to use components like background scheduling, cron jobs, um, third-party APIs if you can use it, and you should use components like Material UI, Shared CDN for your front end, and different type of inputs you can use. So there's basically like a comprehensive project you can create. Hey Dimple Yadav, good morning. What happened to your court case? It is still going on. Next April 20 would be the next hearing. College project traffic analysis. Okay, Sid giving his annual good advice with the Android. See ya in 2026 for the next one. What do you mean, expert? I only give one good advice in a year. What is your views on app developers? Is there a future in India like both for Android and iOS developers? Yeah, why not? There is. Hey, Abhijit Rai, this week I am going to work on the authentication and webhooks. Oh, you are Roop then. Okay. Do you have any course to go through? No, bro. No, sorry. I don't create courses, bro. Need in JS. Nah, I'm not a course guy. Sorry. He want to say learn everything simple. Yeah, but it's not possible, is it, Mana? Bro built the PPT using AI and just shitting in the video the same thing. When you don't give proper prompt to ChatGPT. Channels like Code Stoic are teaching React for free without selling any courses. Okay, nice. Code Stoic. 17.4k subscribers, very nice. React.js tutorial. Oh man, this entire YouTube channel is React.js masterclass. Nice. Just follow it, bro. You're done. Hey man, how you doing? Hey, listen, mama, welcome back, bro. Doing fine, bro. Doing fine. How you doing? What are we doing, chat? Just our Sunday chill live streams, bro. Nothing much. Same thing. New video में paste करो, change the thumbnail and title. New roadmap is ready. Exactly. What court case, bro? I'm curious. Oh, it is Instagram related court case, bro. Somebody sued me because I took their name in Instagram reel where they said Thara Bhai Joginder was saying video delete, something like that. And I happened to put some comments on it. Some people got pissed and they took it to court and filed a case on me. Need Android supported web app course for $499. Original price $5,000. Don't bring those words near him. He is very posh. I think Dimple, you are limo, right? In my Discord server. Chad Cat. I think this is your first time here. Yeah. It is still going on, court case, bro. Yeah. It's still going on. I tried to make these roadmaps for BTech students to get people started using free resources that are free. Oh, nice. That's a good initiative. Good one. I created an AI interview platform. What do you think about it? I integrated with my already existing job portal project. What do you think? Rajesh, you said that you want to learn AI and now you're saying you created AI interview platform. Like, we are 48 minutes into the live stream. Are you really saying that within half an hour you were able to learn AI and then create a project and now you are telling me to review it? He's some Sigma Chad, guys. Rajesh is really a... Is there another RIP Van Winkle? My name is reference to RDR2 and the short story. Oh. So you are Abhijit, okay. I don't know, I get confused. Who is Roop and who is Abhijit Rai on Twitch? I get confused between you two. I am Abhiroop. Roop. Oh. Oh, okay. You are Roop. Okay. Oh, Spare Human is Abhijit Rai. No? Shit. I forget. Are multiple domains need to be included in a good project like AI ML in web dev project? Multiple domains need to be included in a good project like AI, ML, web dev. No, you don't. I wouldn't say it's mandatory, but it's nice to have. If you can, yeah, sure, why not? Gotta make capitalism work with the courses. Just because of an Instagram comment, yeah, that's all it took. Yeah. Hey man, I told you about my job. All I'm doing is hitting API via Postman. Nice. Yes, I'm Limo only. I thought so. Yeah. I view from long time, first time chatter. Okay. Okay, fine. Yeah, I thought so that I saw your username for the first time just today. Limo only, why not Zine also? What are the highest salaries where you are living right now? Because here in Surat, Gujarat, 40 to 50,000 is a max dream. Okay, let's find out. Jharkhand, Jharkhand tech job salaries. You can already see it coming, isn't it? The average salary for a technician, oh, not a technician, bro. Software. November 2024, the average salary of a software engineer in Jharkhand is around 5 lakh per year. This figure is based on Glassdoor's, nah, not Glassdoor, bro. I mean, not people from Jharkhand who go outside. I mean, in Jharkhand, what is the salary? Yeah, this seems like a reasonable number. Software engineer salary in Jharkhand, 2,44,000. There we go, per year. 2,44,000 was it? Yeah, 2,44,000 divided by 12 is 20,300 rupees. 20k INR into USD is $231. Yeah, that's all you can expect in Jharkhand, bro. 40 to 50,000 is still a lot more. It's more like double what you can get in Jharkhand. Rajesh is the 100x dev Harkirat always talks about. Within half an hour, he's like, I want to learn AI, and boom, I have created a project. What do you think? Rajesh is the 100x. Okay. Real AI is different, bro. There are libraries for it. What is real AI, bro? I had my ad blocker off. How dare you capitalize on my innocence? So it's your issue, bro. You kept your ad blocker off, not me. The fact is, when you get the health insurance by the company, when the claim happened, they simply get rejected because it's always your fault. They're never going to give you any proper reason, even if you are. The environment. Is everything all right with you? I feel like this comment that you just typed out, something happened. Are you okay, bro? I am using libraries, bro. Then what else are you supposed to be doing? Didn't do anything. You have experience in Nest. It's nice to work with it. Somewhat. I would say somewhat I have. When you create a Shopify app in Nest, give it to me. I will implement some things on it. I will extend it into having more features, having more, whatever. Okay. Why so low? Didn't do anything. Yes, 20k is my current salary as a modern breed species. Are you a fresher, bro, Mohit? Anything less than 2 years, I would say 20k is a justifiable salary in India. But if you are more than that, then I would say change your company, bro. Just clamming possessed in the way. What? Hey Arif Ahmed, welcome back. Hey Doofus, welcome back. That felt awkward. Your username is Doofus. Hey Doofus. I am working hard to try to become an AI researcher. I have gotten a chance to become TA in IIT Madras. Hope I can convert it to research assistantship. Fingers crossed, wish me luck. Hey Doofus, you'll get there, bro. You'll get there. Is GSOC worth it? No. The world is not gonna change just because you didn't choose to do GSOC. No. It is just another trend they're trying to hype up. कैसे हो भाई? Love from Bangladesh. Hey, love from Jharkhand and West Bengal and India, bro. Organic. I think this is your first time. Yeah, this is your first time. Hey everyone, what's up? Just nothing, just chilling with everybody. Um, I mean, why salary of software engineers in Jharkhand low? Because there is no tech sector in Jharkhand, bro. There is literally nothing here. I don't even know. There is Tata Steel, and the Tata Group has created Jamshedpur and areas like that. And there is Ranchi, which went through some development because of MS Dhoni. He was born there, and given the recognition that he brought to Ranchi, yeah, so it is speeding up. There is a Tata factory like very far away from my house that I can see from my window, but there isn't really a tech sector here. It's non-existent. Here and Bihar, it's non-existent. You are way better off going to some city like Delhi, Noida, Bangalore, Pune, Mumbai, like that. That's where you will get jobs. Yes, I am fresher, first semester in my BCA and currently grinding DSA and microservices. I think I have already told you this. Oh, so 20K, how are you managing 20K job, bro? Is it part time? Is it full time? Is it freelancing? What is it? Doofus isn't doofusing now, is he? Yeah. Beyond SE, 30K as an associate software engineer, mainly backend, and now doing AI, mainly YOLO, fresher. Nice, beyond software engineering, 30K as an associate software engineer. Good for you, bro. Good for you. I work on a sweatshop in which I am working on a Siemens project as a front-end engineer. The place in which I am working in service-based startup. Ah, okay, okay. Nice, nice. Good for you. Good for you. Doofus sounds like the third cousin of Dr. Doofenshmirtz from Phineas and Ferb. Yeah. That's what I was also thinking about. Bro, do you know any colleges of Bengal? Yeah, I do. Scottish Church, St. Xavier's, Jadavpur. Then you have your these three colleges Bengal has that they are known for. Shit, man, I have gone to Calcutta University, of course, is its own college. I've gone to College Street so many times. I should know more colleges. Jaipuria is a college, right? Then. Shit. SD Nopani, you have your Srijan Vidyalaya, you have. No, Srijan Vidyalaya is a school. Sorry. SD Nopani is also a school. Sorry. Why did I start mentioning schools? What's your opinion on GATE and MTech in Tier 1 college? Bro, you are Tier 1. You're already doing way better than most of us. And I have no hopes on my college regarding placement. In Tier 1, you're saying you have no hopes regarding placement. That's brutal, bro. Please review NEET code IO video title. Why is everybody lying? I did this, Muhammad, in a past stream. I did react to this video. I think most of the regulars here were here when it happened. Yes, it is full time. The startup has collab with college, so I don't have to go to my college and work fluently. Ah, very nice for you. Good for you, Mohit. I'm happy for you that you are earning and as well as learning. That's nice. Yeah, first time, but I was subbed like a long time ago. Ah, okay. I get a bit confused when I see PHP syntax. Like when you pass string shop to a function, I thought it was an array. Later I found out it was a key value pair. Yeah. It is like a JSON. It is like a JSON equivalent in PHP. When you specify keys, then yeah, it is like a key value associative array. Dimple, I love the guy. I wish I would have been his third cousin. Hey, can you tell what should I know regarding backend Spring Boot microservice before making a switch, considering it's my first job? So regarding backend, can you tell, one second, can you tell what should I know regarding backend Spring Boot microservice before making a switch, Considering this is my first job. I think this is you're gonna land into backend job once again. Spring Boot microservice, basically Java-based backend, bro. I think you're set. You don't have to know anything. Just get a 30% hike. Yeah, that's what you have to know. You know about Kalyani Government Engineering College. I am from there. I haven't heard about Kalyani Government College, bro. Let me search. Maps.google.com. Kalyani Engineering College. Where is it? Kalyani. Okay. Oh, so Kolkata is here and you are here. Oh, you are very far away, bro. Okay, so Kolkata is here, Baranagar, Hooghly, Madanpur, Jubilee Park. Oh, okay, Jubilee Park. Okay, I see, I see. Kachrapara. Okay, Maspedia. Okay, I see, I see. Nice, nice for you. Hey, bro, I'm in tier 3, third sem. Oh, okay, okay. So off-campus placements, Sandy, is basically what you are looking at. Um, you know about, oh, okay. Oh, I love him too. He's the sweetest. Okay. What advice would you give to a third year student who hasn't done any internships and is preparing for placements in the next 6 months? What advice would you give to a third year student who hasn't done any internships and preparing for the placement in the next 3 months? How is it possible, bro? Don't you do an internship in your fourth year? Assuming that you are BTech student who hasn't done any internships. And even how is that possible? Doesn't your college require you to do an internship in order for you to proceed with the year? I'm not necessarily... I say prepare well, that's all. Work on your soft skills, bro. I'm preparing for placements in the next 6 months. I'm assuming it is campus placements, is it? Developer Magesh? Same here, third sem. Oh, you're from third sem as well, Mana. Okay. I thought you were employed, Mana, before seeing the maturity that you have in my streams, the things that you say. I thought you were working somewhere. Do a Harkirat course for 3 months, you get remote job at 30 LPM minimum. Nah, thanks, I'm good. I am in so-called tier 1.5. I don't know why everybody telling the 3 tiers. Why is it so-called tier 1.5? Isn't it better than tier 2? No? Have you seen that game on GeoGuessr? You would click anywhere in India and see if there's trash there. Yeah, I know. I don't feel like playing that game actually. I don't think I am doing much development. They have given me microservices and only telling me to hit API and get logs from the deployment team. I feel I am not learning anything new. Then quit the job and go somewhere else, bro. It's not gonna happen. You can spend 2 or 3, 4 years and you can still find yourself stuck in that position. It's how it happens. The one thing that you can do is just wait that your seniors resign from the job, in which case you would be handed over those responsibilities that they used to have. That's one way of doing things. Other way of doing things is just to switch to a company that lets you be the leader. I mean, that lets you take on new responsibilities. I learned from channel like I said, daddy guy. Hey, Mana, thank you, bro. You have to do internship after third year summer vacation and the companies come in your third year. Oh, so what happens in fourth year? Are you studying or are you working? No? You can spend 5 to 10K on some company which will give you an internship certificate. You can, but I would rather have you have real experience. Aye man, you're laughing. Nah, I'm not laughing at you, Lasan Mana. I'm just imagining your situation, where your situation is you're not learning enough. See, I always say this is the reality, Lasan Mama. I'm currently in TCS. The fact that you are in TCS explains so much. Now it is so brutally clear what you are going through. Okay, this is it. If you're oh, what is it? Sorry. This is it, lesson, mama. If you are earning, I would say that is totally fine. If you are learning at your job, I would also say it's totally fine. If you are learning plus you are earning, that is the perfect scenario. Now you have hit the bullseye. This is where you want to be, learning plus earning. Unfortunately, that doesn't happen, and you find yourselves stuck in one of these two positions. But if neither happens, just quit the job and switch. That's the way to make it happen. So given that you already said that you feel like you are just told to hit the API and get the logs and blah blah blah, I feel like your earning situation is all right. In which case, it is fine for you to stay where you are. And if you were learning as well as earning, then that would have been ideal. But I'm going to leave it to you to decide if you want to move this way or this way. But the day nothing happens, just quit. But I did internship in online. Do you have a certificate, developer Magesh? I don't know why it's tier 1.5. Every YouTuber says it's 1.5. Maybe it's because it's a government college, but it's tier 2. You have good enough placements. I say if you have placements, you already qualify as a tier 1 college. I don't see either if you are IIT and you are giving placements, and then if you are not IIT and you are giving placements, you are tier 2. And tier 3, you have neither. Isn't that what it is? So lesson mama, there you go. I think your earning situation is fine, in which case it's all good. Learning can happen in future, but as long as your bills are getting paid, it's not really an issue, is it? You can take some time out of your job to learn something else that you are interested in and are willing to pick up if that's what it takes to relax your mind. Some edtech companies, in fourth year, you have your BTech project and some online electives, and you give your interviews for jobs that you will do after your fourth year. What? This doesn't make sense. You already got the job in third year. Then why would you give interviews in fourth year? Hey, I remember asking you what should be the best time to switch. You told 2.5 years you should spend. I only have 6 months experience though. Oh, yeah. That's another thing. Yeah. 2.5 years is the industry standard that you should stay at a job and then you should switch. Don't stay more than 3 years in a company. You're gonna get trapped. You're gonna find yourself in a position where the company has you as a hostage rather than you holding the company as a hostage. 55K a month, get the offer letter, SD in Mumbai. Is it good at freshers? 55K a month is a banger salary, bro. It is a banger salary. I'm jealous of you. I'm not jealous. I'm envious of you, Vineet. It took me 6 years to get to this number, 55K a month. And you have it right off as a fresher. The envy is killing me. How much is required to get an internship from a tier 3 college in web dev? Like half a kg HTML, 200 grams of CSS and 300 grams of JavaScript. I don't know how much how I would quantify these things. How much is required? I don't know, bro. I did an online internship, but the company recruiters consider offline internships valuable. Just say you worked just say you worked. They assigned you tasks and you did tasks and you submitted that. Done. Doesn't matter if it was. My college placements were 50 to 60% in management business, 30% ed tech, maybe 10% on actual software. There were no internships. Oh, nice. 55K a month as a fresher, Vineet. Congratulations, bro. First of all, I had the option of going to Jadavpur, but I chose Kalyani because I was getting lower branches there. What do you mean lower branches, Sitabja Viswas? Your video course seller wolf thumbnail that gave me much clarity. Gave me much clarity, thanks. Me, no science degree, and everybody asking degree for it. Your video course seller wolf thumbnail that gave me much clarity, thanks. Oh, okay. I see. Mine is around 45K a month in Noida. Noida is expensive. Yes, Noida is expensive. 45K a month depends if you're living on rent or depends if you're living with parents. Like, do you own your house? Then it can make a certain bit of relaxation, right? Mine is 2-3K a month at my parents' house. 2-3K a month, like what? Is it your salary? Is it a internship stipend? What is it? I mean, these are the type of jobs that companies came with. Okay. EdTech companies, they do require tech people a lot. But now EdTech sector has completely like fallen on its face. EdTech sector fall off. The biggest impact was the downfall of Byju's, but ripple effects have been felt across the industry. Do you know why? Because you cannot teach kids how to code. This is simply not possible. I have seen 25-year-old morons who are walking around with more than 4 brain cells in their head doesn't know how to code. How can you expect to teach coding to a 15-year-old, let alone a 15-year-old, an 8-year-old that White Hat Junior was advertising? Let's search that. White Hat Junior, kids making 150 crore. Wolf Gupta. Let's see images. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, images like these piss me off. Like these images. They are kids, bro. They barely understand. So beginner is a kid, intermediate is a kid, and advanced is a kid. Wow. Wow. I have seen 30-year-old morons walking around in the market who don't know what GitHub is. And they are thinking that they're going to teach kids how to code. I know that around 8 students got hired from in-campus placement from my MCA batch of 100 students. Yeah, that's the ratio. Yeah, MCA, you can expect that kind of ratio. NSUT, I don't know what NSUT college is. Some tech companies will tell that the course offer is 50% off now and it will end immediately. So join in our tech courses, don't fall into this trap and don't pay thousands of money. You're saying the same thing I was saying. I like you, Sandeep. I like you. I always say this, what you said, Sandeep. Even being in a tier 3 college, you can still learn a lot due to what's available for free on the internet. Bang on. 3rd year is internship and 4th year is placement and jobs. I still don't understand. Oh, internship. Oh, okay. I see. There's my Maggie, the Sunday exclusive. That's what you're here for. Here it is. Mine is pocket money. Oh, okay. Pocket money. I thought like an internship stipend because I did hear some people in my MCA classroom getting this kind of internship stipend. Why do most people talk about front end and not the back end part? Because they are illiterate, bro. They don't know back end themselves. So how would they tell you anything about the back end? I'm a back end engineer. I'm not a front end guy. I don't know React. I don't know Vue.js. I don't know Next.js. But I do know Laravel and I do know Node.js, which is used in the back end. This is why I created videos on this before. Any plan to make a series on Shopify app dev, especially with the new changes to a platform like managed installation? What the fuck is a managed installation? I know managed pricing, but I don't know managed installation. Why is Shopify doing this? Oh. Why is Shopify doing this? What is the incentive here? The more abstractions they create on Shopify's part, the more it takes away control from the developer's hands. We want control. But I'll look into this managed installation thing. Happy potato. Lower branches like civil construction, production, power, and in Kalyanti I got IT. Oh, okay, I see. Wolf Gupta, what a yee ass name. Abhijit, come to Twitch. I'd say. Did BTech near my hometown named Sultanpur. That was very cheap. I did. Why is Socket.io required in the app? Which app, Roop? Oh, I was creating a tutorial, bro. Just ignore that part. I was creating a tutorial. So I just used whatever I had and built on top of it. I didn't feel like creating a new project in on itself. Did BTech near a hometown near Sultanpur. That was very cheap. I did my whole BTech in 4.5 lakh. Noida seems very expensive now. Oh, okay. How to make 4 crores per year salary as a newborn kid. If I knew it, I would be making it, bro. But in which company do you work? I don't work in a company, bro. I don't work in a company. I'm a freelancer. I think I made this clear in a couple of my videos that I did, where I said that a year of my freelancing has been complete. So I told you the whole story. 31st December 2023, I decided my days of working for dedicated companies are over. Let me jump into freelancing full time. I'm gonna figure it out, how it goes from there. And then January 1st, I started freelancing 2024 last year. And then we are into 19th January 2025, a full year I have survived. So I would say, yeah, I'm a freelancer now. Because backend is hard. They ditched OAuth and now moved to managed installation. What the fuck, bro? Shopify managed installation. What? Huh? What? Example app, client ID, blah, 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 blah. And scope updates whenever you deploy changes to your configuration. Embedded apps using Shopify managed installs should require access tokens through token exchange. Non-embedded apps should use the authorization code grant flow. Hey, I am on the non-embedded side, bro. I am on the non-embedded app side. So I think I'm fine for now. Look, Sid the IT guy enjoying Maggie and making money. Meanwhile, Sid the smart guy. How am I making money, bro? Oh, memberships you mean? Okay. Bro, what is quality engineering role? I don't know what is quality. You mean quality assurance, Sandeep, I think. I don't know what this job profile is. Happy potato, your profile picture is very funny. Yeah, it is. My entire BTech degree will be around 10 to 12 lakh and they don't even pay our professors. It's a government college and still charge so much. Government college charges 10 to 12 lakh for BTech. Never heard of that, bro. Stop talking about your college, bro. College does not matter, okay? Work matters, project matters. Rajesh is going Sigma mode just now. Government college charging 12 LPA. Yeah. Oh, sorry, not 12 LPA. For 4 years, 10 lakhs. Mine was 3-year course, 4 lakh rupees. No more dream jobs. The era is over. Now only dream slavery. I want to take my head and slam it into the wall. People are told to not fight anymore. Just give in. Just realize that, oh, it's not going to happen. When are we going to teach people to have the fight in them to make a place in the industry? These are the people that are responsible for the depression of These are the people that are responsible for the depression of students that I see and I feel everywhere. Oh, now only dream slavery. What the fuck does that mean? Only slavery. First of all, who told you that the real world, the market or the engineering IT industry is very fair and it's very easy for everybody? Who told you that? Nobody. It is tough. You're gonna have to fight for your position. Campus placement people are very lucky because the colleges provide placement for them. But anybody in off-campus placement that has gotten it, they know that they have to fight for it. There are so many influencers and so many, freelancers in the market right now that desperately want to replace me. But I have to keep my fight up. I have to keep doing whatever I do. And the industry will be unfair to you. You're gonna get through injustices where the situation should have been one way, but it's going to be some other way. It's going to happen to you. At that point, you find out whether you are a fighting spirit or whether you are a loser spirit. When the industry is unfair to you and you think it's no point in trying anymore, the industry did not defeat you. You yourself defeated yourself. That's the reality of the industry. But then there are these people who appeal to the emotions of people in this way, now only during slavery. No wonder everybody is depressed. Hey, Nova. Okay, Nova, you are Abhijit. Okay. He works in Sid the IT Guy firm, CEO of the firm. Who works in my firm, bro? Where is GD11? I want some drama. Yeah, that's stupid moron. Yeah. IIM charges 40 lakhs for a 2-year MBA degree. Wow. Bapre. Hey Hariputra, welcome back. Hey Deepak Reddy, welcome back. Top mate link at the description of her. Let's see how much it costs. Let's see. Where is it? 750 rupees, 557 rupees, 415 rupees, 150 rupees. Within 1 day, within 3 days. Oh, what a generous soul. Nice.
Single tech graduates dreams of working in big tech giants like Google, Microsoft, Netflix, Facebook, etc. But in today's time, there is a twist in the story because these companies are no longer recognized as dream companies. Not by me, but with the kind of work culture they are providing, with the kind of work they are providing, with the kind of job security they are providing.
Bhaiya, I'm in 4th year, just started DSA, didn't do dev. I was depressed for 3.5 years. Last 6 months there, I was depressed and also loneliness, no friend. Any tips to get a job in 6 months? What does that have to do with anything, bro? Just prepare. That's all it takes. My private college charges 4 lakhs for 4 years. Good enough. Same, I'm also doing freelancing, but it's different type freelancing and long-term contracts are best. I have flexibility to do 4 to 5 contracts. Maybe you can try it. Maybe I can. Sorry Rajesh, I'm not 100x dev like you. To learn code, books or videos. Books. Austin Anil. Nice name by the way. Just search JSC Delhi College fees is all above 10 lakhs. Wow. Why the IIM charge 35 lakh for MBA?
Let's discuss in this video what went wrong and why these companies are no longer a dream company or no longer provide dream jobs so that you can take more informed decision. With that, let's get started. Before we jump onto the points, I want to quickly mention that you can find links to my products, my HR courses, and to my text consultation.
Hey, course mentioned. Let's go.
In the description box or in the comment section. Please use only those links. Do not book consultations using any random links that you see posted by other people in the comments.
Nice.
Okay, so let's begin with the very infamous drama that's going on, which is a 70 to 90 hours of work week. Well, Mr. Murthy's statement of 70 hours per week wasn't enough. That now the chairman of L&T, Mr. Subramanian, has also come up with his advice of working 90 hours per week. See guys, that's the dark reality of most of the jobs in corporate today, be it any industry. Though the views I'm sharing in today's video are majorly about IT software industry because that's where I have worked the most, but I'm sure there is similar situation in every other industry. So if you are in a client-facing role, doesn't matter which company, then forget about 8-9 hours, working 8-9 hours, work-life balance. You will be at the mercy of client. If they want to take a break, if they do not want to work for a week, that would be the time that you will be given leverage to take leaves or will have shorter working hours. If they have a lot of work, you will be on the go, and your manager will continuously put pressure on you that you will have to prove yourself to the client, or we cannot negotiate with the client. And if there is some work, some task that is taking much longer than expected, you will be expected to finish that work and then go home. And that is how things work in most of the client facing roles. And more people are waking up to this reality, and no, it is not okay to work after a certain duration, because honestly, human brain can only
No, that is a tough statement. Sometimes it is all right. You can work a little bit extra because your deadline has to be achieved. But like I said, if 8 months of the year you are spending as depressed or overworked or burnt out, it's not a good company. Just switch. Ideally, we should be looking at just 1 month of pressure, of tension in the company that you are working at. That's all right. But if it is more than 8 months, yeah, that's an immediate red flag. Just move. You are not meant to be handling stress all throughout the year or most of the year, right? Roop, don't worry about this thing. Um, doesn't matter what you get in response. You only care about the access token. Probably I'm doing something wrong. Shopify says to configure access scopes in the app's toml file. Ah, okay. That's another thing. Yeah. Sorry, Rajesh, I'm not a. Why the Kirat Bhaiya Didi are the Tai Lopez of IT industry. Yeah. Product processes or systems meet specified quality standards through testing analysis and process improvement. So how is it different from QA tester, bro? Bhaiya, I'm in 4th year. This started yesterday. Didn't do. Okay. Luckily managed to get 9.76 CGPA semester 7. But yeah. Oh, 9.76 CGPA is a banger, bro. I get a bit demotivated when my schoolmates put me down as I'm interested in research and being at IIT. As I'm not aiming for 30 LPA. Sometimes it bugs me if I'm really wasting my life. No, you are not, bro. Understand that you have to pay bills and just make enough that you can sustain, and let the materialistic people do what they do. I wouldn't agree with anything anyone has to say. What you like doing, you do it. Doesn't matter what anybody else says. I don't like these HR stuff. Maybe someone can create an AI recruiter and can replace them. Haripatra, love you too, bro. Products. People sell hope destroying the goal. Don't bring those words near me. Yeah, Dimple, you really are posh. You really are very posh. Said Bhaiya, Kunal Kushwaha, Prime Agent are the best. Asnil Grover of IT. I see Kunal Kushwaha. Hariputra, calm down, bro. I would work 90 hours if they gave me 20 crore. Now I'm earning 1 to 2 CR by doing 45 long term abroad contracts at flexible time. Flexing, bro. Nice flexing. Give me a job, bro, someday. Reach out to me on Discord. When they sell fear and courses, stay away from them. Those are contracts, not freelance, short term. They are long term. You can get it through your network. What is your channel ID, bro? Thanks, Red Bhaiya. Ready your YouTube channel. Okay, now caught up. I have to see if I can read the product list from the store. Nice. Hey, Avi721. Welcome back. I think you were here last stream, right? On my way to have a posh role in the Discord server. Maybe we can create one for you.
take so much in a day. And if there is a task which is stretching and which needs to be completed, then there should be enough resources on the team. There should be enough employees in the team that if one leaves, the next can take over after their working hours are done, like 8-9 hours. But that doesn't happen. On the name of cost cutting, these companies are deploying bare minimum number of employees on any given project, because that would earn them maximum margins, because the client is going to pay a fixed price. So that's the ugly truth, and that's the dark side. Point number 2 is increasing health issues. Now it's no longer a secret why people at high paying jobs end up taking their own lives, why, regardless of the fact that they are working in big names.
Genuine question. Genuine question to everybody who's watching this. Are you guys looking for some kind of work on the side? Do you have time to get some work done for me if I gave it to you? Rajesh is completely after Deepak now. Deepak, run away. You're gonna get doxed. Roop, you have. Currently looking for a main job. Where are you from, Avi721? Not skilled enough. Nah. Where do you live, Avi? I mean, which city? Not where you live. I don't want your address or anything. But where do you live? Thank you, Deepak. You are hiring. Consider me, bro. Lucknow. Nice. Let's get in touch. Come to my Discord server and let's see what you can do for me. Tech wise. To be honest, AI is just an excuse for top MNCs to fire people and increase their profits. Maggie Man is back. Yep, obviously I'm back, bro. I love your vocabulary. So accurately using those words to express. Nice, Bhaiya. Thank you, Hariputra. What kind of work said? Web dev. Saurav Ghosh. Haven't heard from you. Now you spoke up. I am already in the Discord. Okay, so DM me, Avi721. Hire me as well. Deepak actually made a mistake. After seeing you eating Maggie, I am craving for Maggie and made and now eating Maggie along with you. Hey, nice, Hariputra. I feel like you are Yugal Kishore version 2.0, but let's continue this video.
Names, big brands earning great packages. The reality is those names, those packages do not give you great health or do not guarantee a great health. In fact, bigger the name of the brand, bigger the name of your job title, bigger the pressure you have to prove yourself. And in that race of proving yourself, you end up in a situation where you work so much that your body nearly gives up. I mean, you must have come across this report somewhere that sitting is now new smoking. The number of hours any individual sit in a 9 to 5 job, which is barely 9 to 5, but it's more than 10, 11 hours on any given day. The amount of sitting that we are doing, it's equally, or I should say even more dangerous than smoking 3, 4 cigarettes a day. So you can imagine yourself the
I am cooked. Chat, we are dying with this one. I easily am the 3 to 4 hour, sorry. I easily am in the 11 to 12 hour sitting mark. Not she is cooked, bro. I am cooked. Shopify. Maybe Shopify, but it can be other things as well. Just general web dev. Yeah. Already my LinkedIn DMs are in spam. Maybe it can increase more. We do have coffee break. Hire me too. Watching health guide, eating Maggie. It's not, we sit all the time. Stand up and do not smoke. I am cooked, bro. I am cooked. I am easily in the 10 to 11 hour sitting mark.
the kind of negative impact these jobs are putting on your health or anybody's health is irreversible, and more people are waking up to this reality. And that is happening because of poor work culture, poor work-life balance. Like Mr. Subramanian said, that what you are going to do sitting at home, rather come to office and work. That's not how things work. Now, the next point to note is that these companies are going a step further.
Anand, kya kar rahe ho bhaiya? Here you go. This is what I'm doing now, bro. If recession goes, then will this bare minimum salary with more work problems go away? I don't think so, Kapil. Nah, I don't think so. Greed doesn't have to wait for recession. When there is greed, it will stay there. Doesn't matter if market is good or bad.
to inflate their profit margins. And that is that rather than hiring people on their own payroll, these companies hire employees to work on their projects via a third party, via some agency, some manpower company agency, which pay them really, really less, but they work on the same projects as those of permanent employees. And not only that, you might think that it's okay, they are getting exposure. Yes, they are getting exposure, but they are working even longer hours than those permanent employees. They are paid 10 times lesser money for the same work. Plus, the weirdest part is these big companies have very big premises, campuses, where they reserve an entire separate building unit only for the contract employees. So that employees on contract do not sit with permanent employees. They have a separate building, they go there, they work from there. They never get the true benefit of working for that particular brand. Though their CV, their LinkedIn, everything will say that the person is working in so and so company, but in reality, they are treated very differently, and it's awful. And if you're thinking that the brand must be converting these contract employees into permanent ones, that doesn't happen for everyone. In fact, you'll be surprised to know that if there is an open position for any role, the company would hire from the job market, I mean from the outside, rather than considering their own contract employees. I don't know the mindset behind it, but companies.
This is just cherry picking things and saying it as general things. No, it doesn't happen like that. What company does is not a rule. Like it's not a rule that if anybody wants a new employee, they're gonna be like, screw our contract employees, who wants them? Let's go to the job market. They actually weigh out pros and cons. That's when they decide what to do. This is a little bit oversimplification, I feel like. By the way, weird place to pause. If she's an HR because of a way her talk is very good. Yeah, it is. It sounds like very HRE, doesn't it? Like, do you make different apps? How different are each client's requirements? Bro, I'm giving you an interview, it seems like. Let's connect and let's discuss. What is it? Oh man. Do you make different apps? Lol, nice pause. Yeah, it's a weird place to pause. Have you seen Bhavesh Agarwal's statements? Yes, I have. It's so long back when he said things like, I don't believe in work life balance, 140 hours a week. 140 hours a week. Like, yeah, we are stupid, aren't we?
Do that. So the real face of these companies is turning more and more ugly.
Oh, you're Saurav. Oh, okay. We'll reach out. We'll reach out soon for a podcast on Technical Suneja YouTube channel. Yesterday, got your number from Ajay. Okay, nice, Saurav. Why were you asking what kind of jobs? Huh? Shopify. I thought you were interested in getting hired from me. No? Should be 168 hours a week. Yeah, fair. भैया इंटरव्यू की प्रैक्टिस कैसे करो इंग्लिश में दिक्कत हो रही है द ओनली थिंग इज प्रैक्टिस आई थिंक द वर्ड इट सेल्फ कैरीज योर आंसर इट्स मोर एंड मोर प्रैक्टिस स्टैंड इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ मिरर just think you are talking to somebody in English and just go for it. You will make mistakes, screw it, just get through it. Try talking to your friends in English. They're gonna make fun of you, you're gonna mess up, and then it will be like ha ha gawar gaon ja, but then you have to push through it. So Saurabh Ghosh, I actually thought you are interested in getting hired from me. No, this is wrong. It's not a rule. Every organization is different. Can't generalize. Exactly. Deepak, I saw what you wrote, bro. I saw what you wrote. Your message retracted is no use anymore. I caught you. Thank you, bhaiya. What if we don't have mirror and friends? I think that is the limitation of my knowledge. I won't be able to help you after that.
With passage of time, what these companies were offering before like 10-15 years in terms of benefits.
Rajesh, better retract this message before Deepak sees it, because you just lost a job that you never had. Retract it as soon as possible. Don't let Deepak Reddy see it. Learn to talk about the solution. Just don't call it out. Also, don't feel ashamed. Look into a pond and see the reflection. Hey, that's a good answer. That is a good answer. So, Vishal, here you go. Here you go. Look into a pond and see the reflection. There you go.
Benefits, stability, job security.
Just do live streaming, pick a topic and talk about it in English. Maybe I think it will help. Yeah, sometimes. Please hire me, bro. I will make you do 200 crore per day.
Security, that doesn't exist anymore. And the treatment these employees get is not worth it, is not worth calling them dream companies or dream job providers. And the next point, which every single one of us can relate, is massive layoffs. I mean, these companies are laying off people in thousands every single year. The reason they tell could be different. Sometimes they'll say it's AI and the technology is changing, that's why we no longer need the people, or the overall profits of the companies are not good enough, that's why we are doing cost cutting. All sort of reasons are told, but nobody knows the reality. I mean, as a HR, I can tell you that so many times companies use the reason AI to hide the real political reasons of the company to lay off. They really does that. It's not always the AI as you hear. It's not. And that puts a question on the credibility of these companies, and that puts a question on how stable is your job or how much you can count on your job. And if you think that you're really skilled to be laid off or to be fired, you're mistaking, my friend. Nobody is immune to layoffs. I have personally seen where people who are talented, skilled, who were valued so much, they were asked to train other people, other employees on something, and once those people were trained, these skilled people were fired, laid off. And honestly, now companies do not care about
That happens. That happens. You are told to train somebody, and when they get to a good stage and get to a stage of taking responsibilities, they'll be like, "You're gone. Bye, bro." That does happen. That's a funny way to say it, but yeah, that does happen. Agree with her. Yeah. I am Rajasthan, so no water pond, too far. Bro was looking for some interesting work in web dev, so I thought to reach out. Ah, okay. Reach out to me on my phone number, bro. Not now, because my phone is in the other room. But after I'm done with this live stream, I think that would be 2:30. I'm here for half an hour more. But yeah, after that you can call me and I'll speak to you. Rajasthan. So okay, this is what you do. You take a steel plate, and inside the steel plate you can see your reflection. And a better solution is to take your mobile phone and put the selfie camera, and there you go. Now you have something. Now where to see reflection? In your selfie camera, bro. Selfie camera. That's the best one. According to Bhavesh Agarwal, Saturday and Sundays are Western things, not Indian. Yeah, I know. Meanwhile, his startup is copy of Uber, which is a Western company. But then he said it wearing English Western style clothes, speaking in a Western language, and then using, what was it? There were some 2 or 3 hypocrisies in the statement that he made. I forget. But yeah. But yeah, there were some hypocrisies like those. Like, why choose English, bro? If you're such a, what is it, anti-Western person, why take Western countries' languages? Internet का पैसा है, mirror का नहीं. Vishal, you just got dissed by Mana. You just got slammed. Internet का पैसा है, but mirror का नहीं. Nice. Hey, Zack Snyder. Hello. Please hire me for your movies, bro. Bhaiya has solutions to each and everything. I love your work, Bhaiya. Big fan. Hey Anand, welcome to the stream. Or is it? I have seen you before. I think I've seen you before. In which case, welcome back. No mobile. And now, how will I wash my steel plate? Water is the problem. then, then how are you watching this live stream, bro? And if it is your laptop, then I assume your laptop has a webcam. And if, oh, you can do one thing that is undeniable. You can you can take a paper and a pen and draw your own face and then talk to it. Best solution. You cannot deny that one, Vishal. Internet का recharge पापा करते हैं. Okay, fair. But then you can also ask your dad for a mirror, right? But then the paper solution, just draw your own face and talk to it. Best one. Now let's see how you get out of that one. You are hired at 4 crore per annum. Please send your previous salary slips, marks card, previous offer letter for background verification. Can you do that? Wow. Rajesh is going to now background verify Deepak as if Deepak is the one who is asking for a job from Rajesh and it's not the other way around. Doofus, do you think it's beneficial to learn CUDA and Triton for GPU programming if you're an AI researcher and not hardcore coder or ML engineer? 100% bro, 100% it is worth it. Do something. I am putting my hopes on you, Doofus. Please do something about the hardware that improves the gaming industry, because the gaming industry is absolute shit right now. From your research, there should be some kind of hardware that does native rendering, not AI rendering of frames, and improves the gaming industry for once. Do you guys have any hopes for the gaming industry? Like, do you actually think it will improve? Like, do we have hopes anymore? Do you? I'm gonna wait for this one. Ghosted us. I don't know how I look. How to make my own face. Then ask your parents or ask your mom to make it for you. In which case, they know how you look like, so they will make it for you. This year is pretty stacked. Oh yeah, for sure. I'm looking for 7 games. I'm looking forward to 7 games this year. Ask ChatGPT, ask for a portrait of your face, and then stare at the masterpiece. Yeah, fair. Another good one. Roop. I'm not working at organization full time. I'm contracted anyway. I don't have PF or offer letters. Just business requirements. PS. I said only 1 to 2, not 4 crore lol. You know about Chris Sawyer. Who is Chris Sawyer, bro? Come on, Vishal Sharma. Let's see you get out of that one. Either ask ChatGPT to make it for you, or tell your mom to make a portrait of you. I live in a hostel, and before you say ask friend, I don't have one. Oh man, this guy doesn't give up. He doesn't give up. Good fighting spirit you have, Vishal. Good one. And I am out of answers. Roop, can you help me? I don't keep up with latest games anymore. Oh, okay. Chris Sawyer, Scottish video game designer. Creator of Roller Coaster Tycoon. Nice. One of the most important simulation games ever made, and the best-selling Roller Coaster Tycoon series. Yeah, those games are pretty CPU incentive, isn't it? John Cena is my childhood hero. इसको बता दो कि भाई अब बस जब मोबाइल चला उसमें सेल्फी कैम कर ले. Yeah, but he already said he doesn't have a selfie. Uh, no mobile. And how will I watch my steel plate? What is the problem? He said no mobile. So how are you watching this live stream, bro? Now I'm genuinely curious. Are you seeing it through a window in somebody else's house who's watching me? Like, is that how you are? But then how would you chat? Are you using a radio transmitter that will like send signals to the person's computer and that will type things out? Chris Sawyer revolutionized game development. Okay, nice. Anyway, this video title is a bit exaggerated. It's not slavery. Let's get that clear first. The industry is tough. The industry is unfair. The industry will be unfair towards you. But then it's your responsibility to grow and not give up. Don't let yourself defeat you. Laptop, no webcam. I thought you would say that. Then the ChatGPT solution, bro. ChatGPT can help you create a avatar of your face, right? He done single-handedly. That's why he's special, bro. For example, GTA, so many worked on it. Oh, yeah, I know. He created single-handedly Roller Coaster Tycoon. Yeah. Exposing the money influencer scam. This is a great creator, Big Laksh. I love him. It's just the big money players who are scamming the gamers as they can put across mediocre products and people will still buy it. Nvidia literally downclocking their GPUs because others can't compete right now. I mean, it is what happens when you don't have enough competition in the market. AMD Ryzen and AMD, what is it? Radeon graphics are how it was used to be. It used to be the name. Those graphics cards can't compete with Nvidia anymore. They completely jumped into this AI hype cycle and they made companies feel like there is no other way than Nvidia. It is literally a gold rush and they were the ones selling the shovels. So that's how Nvidia did it. I'm hopeful for the gaming industry though. I think it is cooked. I think it is. It's so profit driven that only 2 or 3 games actually make profits, otherwise everything is just trash. Actual AI bot moment. I advise Vishal to go insane and talk to himself all the time. That's another way to do it. Hey, Virus Dumb, welcome back, bro. We need better game developers from India. But in order for that to happen, the infrastructure to support them, the mentality around game development that it is just a time waste, there is no money in it. There have to be companies who are willing to invest into game development in India. Otherwise, it's not going to happen. I so wish that I knew game development. Otherwise, I would have tried my hand in it. Just to make a third person shooter game, which I believe would do well. Yeah, I would have done it. But unfortunately, that's not gonna happen. ChatGPT will make my nose above my eyes. No, that's a terrible response, Vishal. ChatGPT doesn't do that. It doesn't do that. We need, I think, if one person is to be great for different game, it has to be John Carmack. Yeah, John Carmack. He's a good one. Yeah. I have some roles in React and others. I will post in Discord checkout. Oh, nice. Not Chris Sawyer. Nvidia and AMD are paying big game studios to make games unoptimized to sell newer cards. Could be. That's a fair marketing strategy. Make the old cards obsolete. I don't think game development will happen in India. Yeah, fair. Maybe the mentality can change, maybe it can happen, we don't know. The thing is, game developers can only earn by making games. Getting a job by becoming a game developer is tough. Yeah, the industry basically. Infra and DevOps is everywhere. No, I wouldn't say that, Deepak. Game development is very costly. You need a high end PC to render graphics and the moves. That's why it's so unpopular in India. I think. I think the general people don't want to do business in game industry in India. That's what I feel like. People are much comfortable tackling any other problem, like let's say e-commerce, let's say what is it, payments, let's say bank related anything, or any other industry related anything. And game development is at the very bottom. That's why we see such less gaming studios emerge from India, because the priority is just not there. Because the investor will think, why would I invest into a game company when I can invest in so many other companies which are AI based or whatever, payments based or anything like that. So why would I choose a gaming studio to invest in? And they don't do it. That's why the infrastructure never got created, in which case, yeah, here we are. Ever had a toothache? Yes, I had, bro. It destroys your life, completely messes up your life when you have a toothache. It's mind blowing how much granted we take things every day. That our teeth is going to stay the same way, our nose is not going to run, our eyes is not going to get fiery, and it will not burn. We take these things for granted so much every day, and then your tooth starts aching, and it literally would not allow you to have a proper sleep. It will wake you up in the middle of the night, and you would be like, ah, and this will be hurting. I know. I don't even know how I look, and I know chat GPT access data, but goddamn, I don't have a webcam. At least I know my face is safe from chat GPT. Okay. In which case, Vishal, just go insane and talk to yourself, bro. There you go. Making a big game takes 6-7 years and costs a lot, and still will guarantee no return. Yeah, it doesn't guarantee any return. That's another thing, which is why there is no investors in India who take the risk. Yeah, fair. This is the accurate problem right here. But fantasy gaming is becoming in India. Yeah, fantasy gaming is another thing, bro. It's not tech based, is it? Web development has less friction, and anybody can start it without having any much high end thing. That's why it's so popular. That's theoretical, sort of. You can create a website, but that doesn't guarantee any income or whatever either. Web development really happens when businesses are doing well and they have enough money to invest in further things. So let's say that I am a shoe store. I am operating in one location. So then I am selling my shoes well, I am making enough revenue, and then I'm thinking, okay, let me get a second location. That's when tech comes in. That I don't have to go to those two locations to see the business, how it's going. Maybe just create a website that pulls data and it shows to me. That's where the existence of web development is. It's that businesses have to do well within themselves in order for web development to survive. If businesses don't do well, web developers are the first to go in any company. You have noticed this. Whenever market recession hits, software developers are the first ones to get laid off. This is why. Tech has no inherent place in the economy right now. It only profits off of what other businesses are doing. Varun Maya made a video about it when Black Myth Wukong came out. Yeah, fair. Yeah, he did. Not guarantee profits, but fantasy gaming, it's not gaming, it's gambling. Oh, okay. I see. I thought fantasy, fantasy football league, fantasy baseball league. I thought you were saying one of those things. Yeah, I know why, because Avi 721. This happens because when you take 6 or 7 years to make a game, technologies are changing itself. Unreal Engine 5 is the latest one right now. If you pick it up and you try to make a game on it and it takes you 7-8 years, then by that time Unreal Engine 6 will be out. In which case you would be like, holy crap, now my game is outdated already. So this is just one example, but this is how spaghetti gets created in the gaming industry when it takes too much time to create a game. Which is why you are far better off creating your own game engine. So at least you are one on one with how things should be. And you know what, like Rockstar, they stopped using the Rage engine. Now they are moving to Unreal Engine 5 or 6, whatever it is, because apparently it's cheaper, isn't it? Gonna share you a big list of games that I would like to see this year, but most important one is Elden Ring Night Rain. Oh, okay. FromSoft also retains 99% of their talent so that people that work there already know what they are working on. Unreal is a big issue. Yeah. Supreme Leader, I am here, just completed my noon sleep. Ashish, you are very lazy, bro. 2 p.m. You are awakening. I have DM'd you the React role that we are hiring for. Please check it out ASAP. Yeah, sure, bro. I'll check it out, Deepak. Being in the field of AI, I honestly feel Varun Maya is a moron. Nice. I don't even know how long he's worked in AI, or he's just an SWE who got curious about AI. Creates FOMO, 90% of his takes are garbage. Yeah, but thing is, only you and I would know, Doofus. But for the general audience, his content is very consumable, which is why it resonates with people who are not even close enough to computer science or AI related domain and all, and they believe that, oh, this guy is speaking with so much confidence, therefore he must be right. It's just a classic shoot shit with confidence thing that happens. It's noon sleep, not morning sleep. You're still very lazy. What kind of. Do you do a night shift, Ashish? I feel like that's what you do, which is why I can justify you sleeping in the afternoon. Or maybe it is Sunday, so maybe you thought, okay, on Sunday I'll take an extra nap. Maybe that's what it is. Otherwise, I don't see this being a 7-day thing for you, Ashish. Instead of making AI develop more and more until it backfires, develop games so that at least people can be happy. But who cares about people being happy, Vishal? It's all about profits, bro. It's all about profits. Seven Sins Gamer, Vivek, welcome, bro. Tonight, let's play PUBG tonight, 8 p.m. I will DM on Discord. Vivek, Rajesh, Abhijit Rai, Abhijit Singh Chauhan, and the members. Itachi is a member. Yeah, whoever, any of you guys are online, let's play a game of PUBG tonight. BGMI, I mean, sorry, not PUBG. Hey, I started freelancing recently. I'm doing 2 projects in parallel and waiting for confirmation for the third. Can you mentor me? I need someone to get advice when I'm stuck. Yeah, why not, Red? DM me on Discord or LinkedIn, anywhere you want. Yeah, let's talk. I will hopefully be taking admission in BCA in data analytics and hoping to become a data analyst. I don't give a fuck. Nice. Good for you, IDGAF. Your long-term goal should be to learn Python because that's what it is. Data analyst, that's what they use. And SQL, you have to be good at that. I think there is a hidden potential to IoT not many people are thinking about. No. There is no hidden potential. It got used. People found out problems. It just went away. And it is still used in some small form, like doorbells or what is it? Remote whatever device, right? I was just taking rest for 1 hour, so just sleeping. Okay, so the Sunday afternoon, yeah, that's what I can say. That justifies it. Okay, bro. What about my Marvel Rivals? I'm not interested in Marvel Rivals right now. I am more interested in PUBG, Valorant, and Rocket League. If these 3 things anybody is open to playing, yeah, let's play it. The rise of AI companions. Here we go. Oh, it is 2 years ago. Okay, that's a different thing. I don't know why I get the same videos recommended to me again and again. Um, can I, considering my previous comments were non-canon, what can you, Vishal? In-house engines are very underappreciated today because cops want easy onboarding over better games. Yeah, that's what it is. Management does not understand the value of in-house game engines, bro. That's the thing. Yeah. Bro, for game development, you need a high-end PC. Maybe why not create a software or hardware to support lower-end PC to support it? I mean, I have a high-end PC, but I see what you're saying. It should be, oh yeah, the setup is a bit expensive. Yeah, fair, fair. IoT and edge computing is still useful in factories and companies. Which is more valuable for getting hired, a good project versus a good internship? Anything, bro. You need both things. Play BGMI. Yeah, BGMI. Yeah, that's what. I've been participating in hackathons and I saw the projects in which. Okay, web, how, I'll get to you in 1 second, bro. I've been participating in hackathons and I saw the projects with the judges were attracted to the most used IoT to solve problems like irrigation and farming related things. Oh, okay. Fair, fair. Virus term. I mean, for the mass market, I mean, in the agriculture industry, sure, IoT might be a big thing. But I'm talking mass market. GeoHot's tweet about how AMD is literally shooting its own foot is so good. You should check it out. Like AMD and Intel are acting like dinosaurs in this new thriving apps, thriving age, and Nvidia are making the most. GeoHot, right? Okay. PyTorch, many companies, Tesla FSD, blah 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 blah, data infra, data video. So what is the scope with comma AI? Less is more. Intel GM want to give me a board seat. Board need more technical expertise these days. I can't find it. Cannot find it. However, from a hardware perspective, the S700 is the most cost-effective card for AI inference. They should be deployed in millions in data centers. Instead, AMD invests nothing in RDNA 3 AI software and cancels big die RDNA 4. Make it make sense or sell me the RDNA division. Oh, I see. So it's the priorities where, okay. You know how Firefox gets paid money by Google Chrome to stay number two? What if AMD sold themselves out to Nvidia? Hey, why, Bhava? Welcome to the stream, bro. This is your first time. Scroll all the way to the right on your tag bar. There's a new to me category which should be all new videos. Webhub, okay. Oh, new to you. Okay. I am 37. If you are in your 20s or 30s, please watch this. I wasted my 20s. I I don't like these kind of videos because simply because I don't think I wasted my 20s. I realized when I was in my 20s that I'm never gonna get it back. So enjoy it as much as I can. So I did like gym, I did parties, I hung around, I wasted time, I made use of time. I did all of those things. I pretty much prepped myself to say goodbye to my 20s. So I don't like anybody seeing, I don't like anybody coming out this way and saying I wasted my 20s. No, you didn't waste it, bro. It's about the priorities, what you have in your head. If you want to be lazy, you will be lazy. So what? You are actively doing it to yourself. So why regret it later? Then you will gonna get caught in your thinking process that I wasted all of that time, and you're gonna waste more time in the present thinking about it. I hate this. Just work on whatever you wanna work on and just get done with it. No regrets, basically. No wonder we consumers are getting screwed. There is a game buy to all. Okay, buy mana. The prime time is goat. Yeah, he is. Um, I am currently in a hackathon. 1.25 lakh teams registered, and now second round there are only 1750 teams. Man. That's crazy. Bro, according to you, Web3 is dead, but us US government is actively supporting that, and even Trump launched this meme coin last day. Okay, I don't know if Donald Trump really did that or if it's just a scam. I don't know. But I'm saying Web3 is dead because, well, mostly everything is a scam, isn't it? Dollar Trump, is it? S Trump, what it looks like. But yeah. After 6 months, all videos become new to you automatically. But the thing is, I consume videos every day. So that's the problem. Um, no one will tell you this off campus placement strategy. It's a year ago, year old video. Not gonna watch it. 1 million views. See, what kind of video is this getting recommended to me? Why does the algorithm think I'm some kind of racist? Not, I don't get it. The only waste is you yourself, not you, Sid. What? You are sub to Moist Charlie. You are already based. Yeah, so Moist Critical is one of the main reasons I am on YouTube, bro. Charlie. I absolutely adore that guy. Also, I don't see eye to eye with him on many things, but I still adore him. His capability, his vocabulary is awesome. The way he speaks and all. Full day OG eating with farmer is good video. Oh, full day off eating with farmer. Oh, okay. Dark reality is this kind of videos getting more views. The only, hey, as a fresher, curious techies, I think this is your first time here. Welcome to the stream. But आस पास के लोग FOMO देते फैंग में ना होने का. Can you please some suggestion on this? Currently I'm in 4th year. Just punch them in the face, bro. The people who do this FOMO kind of thing, I have no respect for them. Like, you look at what you want to do, bro. That's it. Don't try to tell other people what will happen to them. Nobody knows what's going to happen today, tomorrow, future, whatever it is. Just focus on your own thing. It's all that you need. Okay. Curious techies, you retracted your message. I read it, bro. I completely read it. One second. OMG, that is scary to imagine. No company is even close to Nvidia and AMD being second. Selling out is the closest we can think of a 21st century monopoly being created in GPUs. We are cooked people. Yeah, we are already cooked. Nvidia is the #1 player in AI. There is no one else. No Anshika Gupta, please. Oh. Anshika used to be my crush's name in MCA. There was this girl I had a crush on. She was also named Anshika. Also, was it Anshika Mishra? Was it Anshika Jha? No. Singh. Oh, Singh. Anshika Singh. Yeah, that is her name. Sorry. Not that was her name. But what are her videos? Data scientist roadmap in 2023. Zero coding to data scientist in 6 months. Kill me, man. Just kill me. Get job with zero coding or minimum coding. Cloud job roles for fresher in India. I'm gonna die. Cost of living in Bangalore. Non-IT background or data scientist. How I met Virat Kohli and Anushka Sharma. I can't believe this. Salary negotiation. IIT doesn't decide your future. Offer revoked. Get hired. Blah 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 blah. I think she's gone away. Is it? The latest video is an year ago. So she is not creating videos anymore. Is she? Yeah, it does feel like she's not creating any more videos. Yeah, she's done with her YouTube career, it seems. Hey, Charlie is good. I am back. 1 million views, damn. uh, Depends on what you mean by mass market. But these people I talked to, they were really passionate about providing these tech solutions in rural India for as affordable as possible. Ah, okay. Solo leveling S2 is out. Mass market, I mean like the general people, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 cities, everybody. Something that everybody can use. That's what I mean by mass market. What you think of death of OpenAI whistleblower? I'm trying not to be the next victim, so I'm not gonna say anything. AI overlords, if you are watching this, please ignore Rajesh's question and please don't take him out as well. She's not creating video is good thing. Maybe you hate her, I don't know. Have you discussed why you would never sell courses as you said in last live streams? Yes, I have. Okay, so let's discuss it now. The first, okay. So there are some allegations that were not allegations. I would say some kind of jokes were giving. What am I saying, man? I can't speak and write at the same time. So there were some jokes that were getting thrown at me that pretty soon we will see Sid the IT guy from the YouTube channel will also start selling courses or whatever. And I'm just here to say that this thing is never going to happen. I am not in support of selling courses and this is not something I ever want to do in life. The primary reason being the financial incentive, right? So if I make a paid course, first of all, if I make a free course, there is no revenue for me or whatever. So let's say that I'm doing this for revenue. That is what my mind is driven by. So whatever course I make, I have to keep it very reasonable. The price should be very affordable for students. And then I have to multiply that by as many number of students I can sell that course to, which will result in a certain amount that I will make at the end of the month. Now this brings up so many complications. First of all, the recording time. I spent so much time learning these skills that I will convert into courses that I have to spend time recording these courses on my laptop or whatever, right? And then I have to make sure that I am not making any mistakes. That is another thing with my vocabulary. I do make mistakes when I am not on live streams and I'm just creating videos as tutorials, right? Because on YouTube, the free tutorials that I created, there are mistakes in them. But if I'm making a paid course, I can't go, whatever. And my English cannot break. I have to speak in a steady pattern so that a student can follow through. Otherwise, I'm not gonna get good reviews and my business is over before it started. So there is so much effort I have to put in just for recording and editing. And no mistakes is another one of these things. And that will result in this revenue that I will generate at the end of the month. Do you think this is worth it? Or is it just a client that I can get from a software company that can hire me for a contract for let's say 3 months or maybe like let's say 6 months and I can charge them a good amount of money per month? Do you think this is good or do you think selling a course is good? This is the primary reason I'm not after selling courses. That I would rather go out and get a client from a software company that wants a solution built by me and I can get good money from them. And at least it would be stable for 6 months or whatever and then I can go ahead with it. And then focus on getting the next client. So many of you would have to buy my course and give money to me for me to be able to make a sustainable monthly income. However, if I have only 2 clients, that's all I need. I can generate enough revenue off of both of them together and I can very easily pay my bills and everything. This is why I go the client route not the courses selling route. Uh, Another reason I could think would be selling hopes is a part of it. Like I really think that if you like you can sell cigarettes and you can sell alcohol and drugs to students, but you should never sell hope to students. That is the most dangerous thing you can ever give to a student. Because if I make a course, then essentially I'm competing with all of the YouTubers that are creating courses. And what is the one thing that they always say is that a job will be waiting for you at the end of your course, of the course that they are selling. Now I know that this doesn't happen. Create a niche course. Don't go for a DSA roadmap or whatever. Just create a niche topic like Shopify or whatever and just create a course on that. Right? And if I made a Shopify related course, who's gonna buy it? No one is interested in Shopify. Not no one, but such a small percentage of the audience is interested in Shopify. So I'm looking at low return, low ROI, which is why what's the point in selling courses? And if I go the job route, then I will be the one that I hate, which is someone that sells hopes to students. Some of you will buy the course thinking you will land a job, then you don't. Then all of your hopes get shattered. You would think I worked for 6 months or a year with this course, but I didn't land one. Now your entire life is destroyed. You will never be able to try again investing a year or two or something without thinking about the past experience that you had with me. That's not something I can risk with y'all. Now seems fixed. Where you gone, bro? Buffer. Oh, he is kidnapped by Neeraj Walia. I think you should learn English communication from Harkirat. I am fine, right? My stream is working. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. As such, viewers will experience buffering. What the? Maybe YouTube caught me. Maybe YouTube was like, okay, this guy is against courses. Maybe they said that this guy is trying to hurt everybody's business once again. Let's mute him or let's buffer him. Muhammad Ubaid, I hope that you are joking. Otherwise, if I take you seriously, then yeah. Most paid courses don't provide much value over free tutorial. But the thing is, we are not even looking at value here. We are looking at revenue, because that's the thing that will motivate me to make a course, which is profit. And I don't want to be the person that I hate today, that I become tomorrow, that sells a course and sells hopes, dreams to students, like get cars, get girlfriends, get bitches or whatever. I'm totally against this. So there you go. Now I explained it to you. We can see you. Big Tech at it again. Good to see you, bro. Hey, Spiero. Yeah, Spiero. Welcome back, bro. YouTube be like, sir, you have the right to remain silent. That's the thing that caught me hurting course sellers once again. Bye bye guys, I am some work. See you later. Bye bro. And we are also in the last 6 minutes of this live stream. Saurav, if you are watching this, you can call me in 6 minutes, bro. I'll be done here. Ambani should start GPU company instead of increasing data rate every month. He can earn more by selling GPUs. Could be. Dude, solo leveling is so hype, it's crazy good. What you do if YouTube course sellers like Harkirat, Ras, Nishan, Striver, and kidnap you and lock you in a room and beat you? Nah, I'm never going to let that be a factor in what I choose to do and how I think. Bro, I also carry guns with me, just so you know. It's not gonna be that easy that they will beat me up. And Striver, he's already like a shorty. Just one slap and he's done. I don't understand why people want a high paying job in coding without doing coding. Make it make sense. Like, there are so many job profiles. If you don't like coding, why do you even want to be here? Because they got sold a dream by YouTubers, bro, that you can pick up web dev or software engineering and you can be somebody. That's what happened with them. Buffer, where you gone, bro? He is kidnapped by Neeraj Walia. Neeraj Walia is another 5.2 shorty, bro. YouTube be like, what do you think of the IIT and Baba? IIT and Baba, I am fascinated by him, thinking what happened really, that he went on this spiritual journey. Like, is he broken? Did the industry do something to him? Was it some unfairness he faced? What happened to that guy? IIT and Baba. See, it's already in the IIT Baba at Mahakumbh. Why is he so viral? IIT Bombay aerospace engineer turns into spirituality. It's really fascinating what happened to this guy. Buffer plus voice delay. Yeah, my internet is not well, bro. Sorry about that. But anyway, I sense a boxing match coming up. I hope that happens. I think there can be mistakes in English, but the paid course need to have great depth. Send your AI robots at me, fight me, come at me, Sam Altman. Could be. Bro, Intel is having so much problem after having all the tech resources. Imagine how much time Ambani would take to create a working GPU. Could be. Do you think Udemy courses are worth it? Depends on what course you are buying, bro. Just because it's from Udemy doesn't mean it's good or doesn't mean that it's bad. Ambani already has a tie-up with Nvidia. Yeah, I think he does. What is your thoughts on tech in the next 5 years? It's gonna stay the same way. More scams, more failed products, more buzzwords, more tech bros, hype bros. Most companies trying to make a name for themselves. It's gonna stay the same way. It's gonna stay the same way. I think his package was less. Don't shame a man, bro. 7 Sense Gamer, Vivek. Should never comment on somebody's package. No, he was IITian, then photographer, and then traveled the world, then choose to go to spirituality. But still, there is a background for IITian, right? His passion was not in engineering, and he was depressed, which is why he says he took it up all. I feel going into spirituality sometimes, like these deadlines and salaries, economy, blah blah blah. I kind of get tired some days, and I'm like, screw all of this. I wanna be a Baba myself. He also had 36 LPA job for 1 year. After that, he chose travel photography. Really? Okay, last 2 minutes. Which city do you think is the best? The best in what, bro? Weather, economy, GDP? What is it? Food places, Ultron. Very generic question, bro. I'm not against courses, but I'm against creating FOMO and selling hope. MIT, Stanford, Harvard, CMU put their courses for free. You seriously think YouTubers are better than those PhD professors? Apparently, they do think they are, doofus. They do think they are better than PhD professors. That's the problem. It's the ego stroking that they get on YouTube. Being an influencer and being an image, they can get these numbers like subscribers or like counts or share counts or whatever. And it makes them think that they are inherently better than those people. Clip him now so we can make a reel and make him viral. Who? 7 Sense. Now, who said his package was less lol? 7 Sense Gamer did just now. Hyderabad. But it doesn't matter what they think. Best city as what, bro? In what aspect are you asking this, Ultron? Okay, last minute. Bye, guys. This is it for today. Sunday live stream. It's very funny that the moment I started getting into why I am against selling courses, did my internet decide to die? and it completely threw me off of my game. Vishal, close your eyes and see yourself. Best advice. That's a good one. I think the AI overlords are looking at me right now. What am I saying? What am I doing? So the moment I got into this, that's when my internet was like, shut him up, quickly. Best city quota, buy a rope before you enter. Sure, okay. I'm waiting for Ultron. Which aspect did he ask it? Which city do you think is the best? There is no best city, bro. Everybody has their strength, everybody has their weakness. Okay, guys, this is it for the live stream. I'm gonna see you again next Sunday. Actually, not next Sunday. Wednesday will be a gaming stream. But yeah, I can see you guys then. And yeah, hopefully Technical Suneja does a podcast with me. And yeah, I'll see you then. See you on the Discord. Great stream, said Bhaiya. Oh, thank you, bro. For me, best city to live is Kolkata. Home bias. Work is probably Bengaluru. Same thing for me. Virus dump. Exactly the same situation as me. But okay, guys. Bye bye. Bye. No repairability in CES 2025. Okay, could be. But anyway, bye guys. Thank you, Atkin World. Okay, bye bye. Now I know that Twitch is still on, and let me now go to Twitch.